right, let's do a little gameplay here for you. Beautiful attract mode. Awesome, let's go.
And now, on with the show.
Okay, good progress on the snack bar, guys. There it is. Snack bar is on.
Now open for your convenience. How about a kiss?
We got the eye lamp on the topper. Now the trick is not to screw this up on camera here. There's our M. Ooh, not quite. There we go. Nice pop bumper action. Okay, one more for the drive-in theater. There we go. Drive-in theater signs on.
Enjoy the film.
One more kiss shot and we'll have everything go on. And there we go. Film is spelt. Now we're gonna have multi-ball. Oh, there we go, multi-ball. All right, ball's in the launcher. Snack bar's lit, same with Starlight. There we go, let's see how far we get here. Oh, dude, not far at all. So now I gotta hit the snack bar. Oh, and of course I botch it. Anyway, that was actually not a bad game to start to show you guys. Awesome. Hope you really liked the light show. If you want to know how to do this on your custom virtual pinball cabinet, check out the long video where I teach you how to do everything.